You're watching Dancehall and News TV, the place where you get the latest in dancehall and local news. And now the news. Entertainer Ninja Man and his co-convicts have been sentenced to life in prison for the 2009 murder of a Kingston man. The entertainer must serve at least 25 years in prison before he is eligible to be released on parole. His son Janiel and fellow co-convict Dennis Clayton will each have to serve 15 years behind bars. The sentences were handed down by Justice Martin Gale in the Home Circuit Court a short time ago. Justice Gale sentenced Ninja Man, whose real name is Desmond Ballantine, to 25 years at hard labor for the murder of Ricardo Johnson, popularly known as Ricky Trooper, and 20 years for shooting with intent in relation to another person. "Thumbs up, Judge," Ninja Man said after his sentence was announced. The others showed no emotion. The three were convicted last month of murder and shooting with intent. Prosecutors Kathy Pike and Nicholas Edmond led evidence, during the 5-week trial, that the killing stemmed from a domestic altercation in the St. Andrew community of Lower Mall Road. According to prosecutors, there was an altercation on the day before Johnson was killed. Ninja Man, his son, and Clayton reportedly returned the following day with guns and other weapons. They chased Johnson and another witness through a fence and, as Johnson tried to fend off the attackers, shots were fired and he was hit in the side. He later died. And that is the latest news on Ninja Man. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Until the next video, time is longer than rope. I'm out.